Have you ever felt? Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Happy New Year! I hope y'all had some very, very happy holidays. I had very happy holidays with my family. Comment down below what you did for New Year's.
So because this is an old wash and go, her hair is kind of frizzy. So I start off just spraying it down with water, as you can see. And this just allows it to be a lot more manageable whenever I pull it up in a ponytail or whatever style that I choose to do. Then I go in with the Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie and I just go across the front of her hair, around her edges, in the back, and it just helps to lay her hair down and make it smooth and manageable whenever I go to brush it. So right here you'll see that I'm pulling up most of the front, but I'm leaving some on the side right there just to leave her like a little side bang. Right here you can see how much I decided to leave out. It's not a whole lot, but once I finish it'll be a whole lot more fuller than that. So right here, if you can see, I am not pulling the scrunchie all the way through. I'm going to leave the rest of the hair out to hang over the bang to make it more fuller. And now I will start to blend that part of the hair from the ponytail in with the bang. And of course, you always have to slay those edges to complete your look.
I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Click down to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a big thumbs up. Bye!